Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to teach you guys how to use highlighters to really give your skin a natural kind of wet, dewy glow. I love being shiny, I think it's great. I don't like being oily and I am oily, so highlighters and especially highlighter powders are kind of the only way that I can achieve this. So one of my favourite highlighter, actually my favourite highlighter in the whole world ever, is from a brand called Mina. If you haven't heard of them, you have to go and check them out. They are super affordable, really amazing, amazing products. This video isn't sponsored at all. It's just me telling you what I love, and this is my favourite one. It's a 201 highlighter from Mina. And what I like about these is they're not glittery, they're not shiny. If you guys want to see the first time I opened this highlighter, I actually nearly cried. My eyes teared up because I was so happy I had found a highlighter that I loved that wasn't glittery and didn't leave kind of like a shimmery glitter on the skin. So it's my favourite highlighter ever. So I actually then, after reviewing that product, actually worked with them because I liked the product so much and I was offered a job with them and I thought, yeah, like I would love to. And that was over in Australia. So I moved to Australia, then I moved back. I worked with this amazing team. I miss them every single day. I think about them. And I miss Australia, I miss Melbourne, very much so. But my good friends there sent me this. So this is the face palette in Glowing. Look guys. Ooh. So there's 4 highlighters in here and everyone looks incredible for a different skin type and tone. So I'm going to show you how to use a few of these to give your skin a really glossy finish. If you're wondering what has happened to my face, I've just tried baking for the first time. You can go ahead and see what happened next week, I believe. For now, let's talk about these. So I am going to use 2 brushes today to achieve this highlighted glossy look. We're going to use an angle brush just like this and a large blending brush. So this is for more kind of finer details. And I'm just going to use the mirror inside this. So I'm going to start off with the yellow tone, the more kind of golden tone there. I'm tapping off any excess, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start under my brow bone and just bring that right round. And I saw this tip from Rihanna's makeup artist on Nikki's Tutorials video. It's really good to bring it up, sweep up around the temple and then back round here, and it kind of gives you that nice glow right in the temples. Same on the other side. Now when we're applying highlighter, let's think about where we want to glow and not where we want to sweat. So let's bring it down the middle of the nose. Just on the tip right here. Now I'm not taking it in the middle of the forehead because that's where we naturally sweat or get oily. I'm going to take it above the brow here. Cupid's bow. And that's our first layer. So let's go in with this more pinky tone. Now we want to be a little bit more precise with where we're putting this product because we want it to be our kind of extra glow. So we're going to put it where we would usually apply highlighter. So just on the top of the cheekbone right here. Yes, look how intense that is under the brow bone. Oh my god, this is incredible. Corner of the eye. Tip of the nose. Guys. We're going with our big brush and let's just give that a little blend. Guys, look how strong that is. That's so intense. And look, it just looks like wet skin. It doesn't look like glitter or pigment or anything. So let's take this last one, which is almost like pure white on my skin, and I'm going to be very precise with that. So I'm going to do a tiny little dot here. Tiny little bit under the brow bone. There. Right on the tip of the nose. So again, just right here. Catch that light there. So now, guys, we're gonna spray our face with a setting spray and then go over again with our lightest shade. I'm in a lot of setting spray. So while the skin is still a little bit damp from the setting spray, we're gonna take that lighter shade again. Let's go right on top of those areas. So it's good with a setting spray because you can see where your skin, where it gets wet, what bits kind of naturally shine. So we're just going to fill those in. Ooh. So my camera just ran out of battery, which is great. But basically I just blended all of it together just by buffing my brush over. So I'll leave a link for this down below. This incredible highlighter palette is amazing. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.